Let us find x to the 7 plus 1 by x to the 7 when x plus 1 over x is given as 1. I'm going to get these results using three different methods. Method 1, let us take the given result x plus 1 over x equal to 1. Multiplying throughout by x, I get x squared plus 1 equal to x, or I'll get this as x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Let's call this as result 1. I know this formula, a cubed plus b cubed is a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now using this result, I can get the value for x cubed plus 1 cubed, which is 1, can to be x plus 1 times x squared minus x into 1, which is x, plus 1 squared, which is 1. But from the first result, you know that x squared minus x plus 1 is 0. So this is x plus 1 multiplied by 0, or you get the whole thing as 0. In other words, I'm getting x cubed equal to negative 1. Let's take this as result 2. I also know that my x to the 7th as x to the 6th times x, which is x cubed the whole squared times x. From result 2, your x cubed is negative 1. Negative 1 the whole squared multiplied by x, which is x. Or x to the 7 is equal to x. So since x to the 7 is x, 1 over x to the 7 will be 1 by x. So adding the result 3 and result 4, we get x to the 7 plus 1 over x to the 7 is x plus 1 by x. And we already got x plus 1 by x as 1. So our final answer, x to the 7 by 1 over x to the 7 is equal to 1. Let's do method 2. Method 2. I'm recollecting the two important formula identities, algebraic identities I have. A plus b the whole squared as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And a plus b the whole cubed is a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab times a plus b. Now using these identities, let us try to find x plus 1 by x the whole squared. My x plus 1 by x the whole squared is x squared plus 1 by x squared times 2 times x 1 by x, or this will be x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2. So from these two results, when I'm plugging in x plus 1 by x as 1, so 1 squared is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2, or I'm getting x squared plus 1 by x squared as 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. Let me make use of a plus b the whole cube to find x plus 1 by x the whole cubed. And that is x cubed plus 1 by x cubed plus 3 times x times 1 by x plus 1 by x. By taking x plus 1 by x the whole cubed as 1 cubed, I get this to be 1 by x cubed plus 3 times x plus x 1 by x is 1, or in other words, I am getting my x cubed plus 1 by x cubed equal to 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. Let me get the value for x squared plus 1 by x squared the whole squared to find the value for x to the fourth plus 1 by x to the fourth. So I am taking x squared plus 1 by x squared the whole squared using the same formula a plus b the whole squared. I know that this is x to the fourth plus 1 by x to the fourth plus 2. But this is 1 squared. 1 squared is x to the fourth plus 1 by x to the fourth plus 2, or I can say my x to the fourth plus 1 by x to the fourth is negative 1. Let us take this as result 3. So in order to get x to the 7th, let us multiply x to the 4th plus 1 over x to the 4th and x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. We got x to the 4th plus 1 by x to the 4th by result 3 to be negative 1. And we got the value for x to the 3 plus 1 by x to the 3 as negative 2. So negative 1 and negative 2 when you multiply, that is 2. Or I can multiply these things together. You get x to the 7th plus x to the 4th 1 by x cubed plus 1 by x to the 4th x cubed plus 1 by x to the 7th is 2, or x to the 7th plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x to the 7th is 2. And you know that this is 1. So your x to the 7 plus 1 plus 1 by x to the 7 is 2. Or this gives us x to the 7th plus 1 by x to the 7th is 2 minus 1, which is 1. That is the result what we got using method 1 also. This is our method 2. Let's try one more method. Method 3. You can make use of any one of those methods, whichever is convenient to you. I am giving all these 3 different methods because some would like to explore more, and for them these methods will be helpful. I am going to take this result x plus given result x plus 1 by x equal to 1 by taking an assumption my x to be a complex number e raised to I theta. E raised to I theta is the Euler's identity, which is cosine theta plus I sine theta. This is the Euler's identity. I can take this as the Euler's formula or Euler's equation. So x is cosine theta plus I sine theta. So if x is cosine theta plus 1 by cosine theta plus I sine theta, your 1 over x will be e to the negative I theta, and that is cosine theta minus I sine theta. This is due to De Morgan. Now, from these two results, I can take the value for e raised to I theta plus x plus 1 by x, which is 1. And from that only I got the result x equal to e to the I theta. X equal to e raised to I theta. And so you get e raised to I theta plus e raised to negative I theta is 1. Now e raised to I theta and e raised to negative I theta, we know the results. So when I substitute here cosine theta plus I sine theta, and due to De Morgan you said it is cosine theta minus I sine theta, and that is 1. So I get 2 cosine theta equal to 1, which tells me cosine theta equal to half, or my theta is pi by 3 radians, 60 degrees. Now, if e raised to I theta is x, my x to the 7 will be e raised to I theta whole raised to 7, which is e raised to I 7 theta, which is cosine 7 theta plus I sine 7 theta. The same way, 1 over x to the 7 will be e raised to I theta whole raised to negative 7, which is e raised to negative I 7 theta, or using De Morgan, you say this is cosine 7 theta minus I sine 7 theta. So adding these two together, you get x to the 7th plus 1 by x to the 7th will be 2 cosine 7 theta, and 2 cosine 7 theta is the same as 2 cosine 7 pi by 3, or it is 2 cosine 2 pi plus pi by 3, because 7 pi by 3 is 2 pi plus 7 pi by 3, which is the same as 2 cosine pi by 3, and 2 cosine pi by 3 is 2 times half, which is 1. So you get your final answer, x to the 7th plus 1 by x to the 7th is 1. So this is the same result we got from result 1, 2 as well as 3. So in general, if x plus 1 by x is 1, then you get x to the 7 plus 1 by x to the 7 is equal to 1. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching this video. I want you guys to support this video so that I can upload more content where you can learn more of math. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.